too much traffic here in Middle East, and Iran is no flight. We'll check first Saudi Airlines. Welcome to Saudi Airlines. We'll book January 21, Saturday to Manila and from Damam. You can check date here, click date Saturday, any date, and I guess, click guess or business or first class. Just then click continue, then click search. This is my first time. No, before this is international, so available only business. So already all sold, guys. As of Saturday is no available on January 21, but on June 24 available, but the price is 3,958. I don't know how much this one. So thank you for watching from Saudi Airlines. Booking is still available.